Hi, good afternoon. This is Alex for Internet Real Secret. Today I'm going to actually walk through with you this new product to be launched today. I think in the next 3 hours, right? Sorry. The product name is called 10 Time Commission. So basically, this 10 Time Commission is an info product. It's a complete set of video training course, right? About affiliate marketing, how to make money from the affiliate product and using a three main traffic source, right? So these are the three free traffic source. I think the traffic source are YouTube, Facebook, and also this many chat, right? Right. So these are three main traffic source that have actually able to make this creator of this product close to 200 every single day, and we just do 300 hot did for free, right? So this is basically this is the sales page of this 10 commission. So you can see this is a brand new method. It's a tested and proven with a lot of success story. There's no prior skill experience needed, right? Okay, so you can make money offline with this method, right? Okay, so it's really simple here. You just need to get this training course, follow all the step in the training course and implement it and earn it, right? Okay, so then you are able to make that kind of income every single day. So these are the sum of income proof here. Okay, so again, so there are some testimonial in this sales page. I won't actually go through every single detail of this sales page, right? What I would like to actually show you here is about what are the content inside this training course. And I would like to do a really honest review on this training course also and how it's going to help you to grow your internet business. I think particularly in the area of internet affiliate marketing. Right? Okay, so on this screen here, this is the content or syllabus of this training course, right? In the real member area, you may not see the same interface as this one because this is actually a review version I get from Subha, right, who created this training course, right? So you can see with the front end purchase of 12.95, you are going to get this complete set of training course, right? So here is a syllabus of the training course. First thing, as usual, there's a welcome to the member area, the blueprint. He actually will share with you the blueprint of the course, right? Okay, so what is a method, what is the approach, what are the blueprints he's using, right? And again, the course will also teach you how to select the affiliate network. Could be Volia Plus or could be JVJU, it could be ClickBank, and how to find a right affiliate offer. Again, how to get approval, the step by step, right? Also, how to create a review page, like a review video, right? I think this is more about the launch jacking, right? Right, it's really very effective method to promote any affiliate product. And again, once you create the video, how to rank your video on Google, okay, and after that, after the all the review page have been set up, again he will actually show you how to set up a ManyChat account, how to create a Facebook business page, and how to get a free traffic from Facebook and send a broadcast to this ManyChat, things like that. So all this is the way the free traffic will come in from the Facebook and ManyChat also. And also the first traffic is about from YouTube when you publish and upload the YouTube video. So this is a whole complete set of the syllabus you're going to learn in this training course, which costs you 12.95 only, right? So again, if you purchase the upsell upgrade, there's advanced training that come, right? About all about how to actually create a Facebook account. This is talking about paying a pay ad to the Facebook, okay, and how to actually example of the ad copy also and create a review bonus landing page, things like that. App traffic, app campaigns, everything is shown in the advanced training. This is more about using the pay app, Facebook pay app to grow your many charge follower and how to use Facebook pay app to actually make money from this affiliate product, right? By promoting affiliate product via the this Facebook app, right? So this is basically the member area, the course curriculums or the syllabus you are going to see here. This part is the front end, and this part is again the advanced training is again the upsell, right, which is optional purchase here, right? Okay, right. So quickly, let me bring you to my review page here, right? Okay, so here is my 10 time commission review and bonuses, right? Overall, I feel this course is eligible to get an 8.5 out of the 10, right? Okay, reason being is in terms of ease of setup, is 8 point, ease of use 8 point, also training video. Although the training video is quite complete and very detailed, right? A lot of step by step. I think even newbie you can follow with all these steps, right? And product quality also is nice, and in terms of the product quality is good. It's a brand new method, and it has a lot of value, a really high value. It's really a proven consistent method to bring you a consistent daily commission, right? Overall, I give the product this 10 time commission 8.5. In terms of pro, it's a brand new method, tested and proven, right? There's no skill experience needed, and it will build via this with free traffic from Facebook and also from this so-called YouTube, and also many charts to make traffic, right? So the con here is if I to say there is some con, it's about this will require some work. It's not a three clicks, one click app. It can actually get everything done for you. It doesn't work that way, right? It requires you to pay attention in every single step being shown in these training courses, in the training video, and you have to be consistent to apply all this method to see the result, right? So there's no shortcut, there's no free gift, or there's no actually short, quick or fast method to get the result. But if you can actually make use of this method, you're going to it's going to work with for a long term. It's not a shortcut method, by the way, right? So again, I will actually go to this review page. This owner creator is Suba. So starting by 12.95, there are some upsell. Launch date is 21st 9 EST, right? Overall rank is 8.5 over 10. So what is 10 time commission? It's a brand new step-by-step training method to make a daily deal affiliate commission using the top 3 retail free traffic, Facebook, and chatbot traffic sources. This is going to actually share with you how to set up the chatbot to grow your chatbot subscriber, and whereby you can actually make your chatbot to actually to send a promote message to the chatbot. People who actually sign up under the chatbot, they are able to actually make use connecting to the Facebook messages to actually they can use this method to promote affiliate product, right? Okay, equivocate the success in making daily technique and join them up to feed it. Also, by using this method, you are able to generate a daily 100 to 200 bit, right? Okay, so that's as was stated in the sales page also, right? Okay, so how much does a 10 time commission cost? 10 time commission costs you 12.95 with very few high quality random monitor and complete and easy to follow video training. Okay, just now I already showed you the syllabus, the content of the video training, right? It's step-by-step video training. You just need to get this course and follow and implement it, and you will see the result, right? Okay, so what is 10 commission OTO, right? Okay, OTO, there's an advanced training I showed you here just now. The syllabus of the advanced training is here, right? This advanced training is talking about how to use a Facebook business account, how to create a business Facebook business page, business app, create ad copy, ad campaigns using the Facebook, right? So this is this upsell one is cost you 37, right? Okay. Also, there's a upsell two, 10 commission done for your edition package. In this, you get time 3 done from you Facebook campaign. So it is going to actually some done from you campaign which have the bonus spend and copy lead generation, and all this is under the upsell 2, right? Upsell 3, the sell license, you can get this whole training course with the sell license on 95, right? Upsell 4, unlimited traffic join, right? Want to generate unlimited traffic for your internet marketing business, okay? So are you ready to crash it with the 10 time commission, right? Honestly, I'm doing a very honest review on this training course, right? Okay, so this is a complete affiliate marketing video training course that show you step by step how to find a hot selling affiliate product from Warrior Plus or JVU, and how to create a review page with a record video on the search plus how to rank the review video page on the first page of the Google search engine. But the course also show you how to write free traffic from Facebook, set up many chart account to promote to the subscriber. This really newbie friendly training, as all detailed steps are explained on setting up Facebook pages, many chat to capture page to drive traffic. The advanced training will also show you the step how to set up the Facebook app account, as I already explained before, right? So these are some of the key benefits, right? Brand new method you can actually take your time to read through all these key benefits, right? Okay, so now I'm going to bring to you about if you get this 10 commission via my link below this video, what kind of bonuses I'm offering to you here, right? Okay, I have handpicked below 10 commission bonus tailor-made so that you can use them in combination with 10 commission and get your best result. First thing first, right? Okay, if you remember, this part of the training is talking about, okay, when it actually teach you to create a review page, they call a review video, join a video on Google. This part is actually called a launch jacking. Launch jacking basically is a method most affiliate marketing is using nowadays to promote affiliate marketing. It's talking about how you can make a review video, review page, and also publish the page, the review video on the YouTube channel, and also make the your video rank high on the YouTube channel. That is called launch jacking method, right? Okay, so if you get this 10 commission where the link below this video, I'm going to give you a complete training course also, just talking about how you can actually uh, uh, earn 100 payday with the launch jacking method, right? Okay, so this is going to complement which Suba is going to teach you in this section of the course, which is talking about find affiliate offer and create a review page, record a review video, run the review video. This is called launch jacking. So by getting these bonuses, you're actually going to give you more clarity, a more complete step how to actually do a proper launch checking. So this is going to complement the product you're going to purchase, right? Next thing is again, I have actually compiled a list of steps when you actually promote any affiliate product using the launch jacking method. What are the steps you need to follow step by step in 3 pages PDF file, which actually you can make this as a quick guide for you. Every time when you want to do a affiliate marketing, a review video, a review page, and then you can follow this step to get the right step and what are the things you need to do to get us to upload the video, to create a video, and also to rank your video on the YouTube, right? So this is one of these step I have actually compiled under this launch jacking nomination guide, right? So you're going to get these 2 bonus, custom tailor bonus. I think this is only can get from me. You can actually find this in others internet marketer, right? Okay, so there is a 2 tailor-made bonus. I have actually spent a lot of time to get this for you. Again, there are some exclusive bonuses like my own product, learn for you money this side. Okay, 50K make money online list subscriber, you can promote any offer and make sales. This is my own product, right? You can get the list of the subscriber to promote any affiliate offer or digital product. Also, my asset give you a lifetime access to the unlimited internet marketing PLR video course and ebook now also under this exclusive bonuses also. CPA profit blueprint, this is my previous CPA course, teach you A to Z, 0 to 100, how to do a proper CPA marketing. Right? Again, this is a first 1, 2, 3, these are all my 3 key product I'm giving to you. Again, email marketing domination is a complete email marketing video course that teach you the end-to-end how to do a proper email marketing, how to create email sequences, how to actually plan out, schedule your emails blast, right, and do a proper email marketing. You can actually learn from this video training course, right? Again, I'm also give you ultimate email swipe file, make money on that stripe and kill the headline we have been using to make a lot of money, right? So this is very high quality, high value bonuses. I think you can't actually find it in other place, right? Okay, let me close this one. My last and my biggest mega bonus, special bonus is a collection of make money on that video training course. Inside this special bonus collection, you're going to get make money on that video training course from some of the already successful internet marketer who actually created and sell these courses. A few hundred copies have been sold out for each of the courses, and I'm actually compile this as part of the bonuses for you, right? So this is also really high quality bonuses. All is really is going to actually to help you to understand more about the way, the approach, and the method, the secret how to make money online, and also how to actually promote affiliate product. And there's a lot of tools, software, plugin, and which are very useful for your online business. It's all actually come under this 200 special bonuses, right? Okay, so you can see at the price of $12.95, you are going to get the complete training course from Suba, right? Plus my three, plus this custom made bonuses, right? And plus my three product on product, and plus some other email marketing courses, email spread file, and also the subject kilo headline. And again, you're going to get the 200 special bonuses bundle, right? So all this only cost you $12.95, right? So you can actually surf around others marketer who promote this 10 times commission, and feel free to share now. I'm sure you can actually find the value of the bonuses which I'm offering here, right? Okay, so I have already limited bonus for the first 20 customer. Okay, so you click the link below this video, you're going to come to this review page, review article. Click the any link button here, and when you click on the link button, you're going to come to this sales page, right? Okay, inside this sales page, just click on the buy button. Okay, so I think you come to the sales page, you're going to see this red button again. Click here to get started right now, and you are going to get this the 10 times commission video training course, plus all my bonuses, plus three my main on product, right? And all this is only cost you $12.95, right? Okay, so I thank you so much for watching my demo video, my presentation today. I hope you really enjoyed that, right? And I hope you can actually benefit from this 10 times commission and all the bonuses I'm giving away here, right? My really orders review here is a 10 times commission, is a really newbie friendly product, and every newbie should actually give yourself a try on this training course, right? That's why I'm giving this course 8.5/10, and that is my order review. Thank you very much, right?